Okay, Leonard, repeat after me. Banji, take this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love and fidelity to you as my wife and my partner for life. Okay. Banji, the same thing. Left hand, fourth finger, halfway through. Look at Leonard. Repeat after me. Look at Leonard. Repeat after me. Leonard, take this ring as a symbol of my everlasting love and fidelity to you as my husband and my partner for life. Okay. Pasok na yun. Yeah, kaya mo. Yeah, ikot mo lang.
Wala naman nagkapalit.
Ikot mo lang. Ikot mo.
Lawayan daw. Baka hindi para sa kanya yan.
Hindi. Kasya yan.
Kasya ba hindi?
Kasya. Yeah.
Putulan natin.
Yeah, tulungan mo na lang. Tulungan mo. Yeah, that's it. Okay. By the power vested in me, by the government of the Republic of the Philippines, I now declare you husband and wife. Sign.
Dito, kayo pirma.